Hello, this is an additional tutorial to exporting the object format from 3D Studio, Daz3D Studio, 4.5 to 3D Studio Max. The start is as before, it's based on the tutorial before. If you don't have seen them, go back and see them. I jump right in. I have exported this figure, Victoria 4, with not with the original map. It's a different texture map this time on her. I have exported these two maps with the Atlas texture and also the object file. We're gonna load that now in 3D Studio. Import that as before. Gonna watch her, no material is applied. Now the materials I have, I'm making new from scratch. I can leave this multi-sub-object material. But first I'm gonna take the diffuse map, apply this to her. Okay, when I render that, it looks good except the eyes. And I copy that as before, take the opacity map, and now drag the body to the ID1, the eyes to the ID2, apply this to her. Now you can see something it's not right. That's because we haven't changed her face ID numbers. We do that now. Pressing F4, go to element mode, select all of her body, included the fingertips, fingernails and foot nails. Give them the ID1. Then edit, select invert. For the eyes, give them the ID2. Close that, pressing F4 to remove that. Now we take a look on her head. The body is already okay. And we render that. Now you can see the same effect that we have with the FBX export in the first tutorial. The eyes shining through the background. Now this time I'll show you another way to fix that. This time we're working with the maps. I'm going to change the opacity map. I do that in Photoshop. Now the map is here. What we can see here is these two black holes are represented for I guess the iris, and these two white balls are also for the eyes. Here we can see the eyelashes, and this is the little piece in the edge of the eyes near the nose. But to fix the problem, we can just make a selection here and fill this area completely with white. and make it non-transparent. Now all this is opaque. Now I save this map. Where is it? Save here. Go back to 3D Studio. And I hope it is self-refreshed in the material editor. Yeah, now the effect is gone away. Just with this little tweak. Now take a closer look on the eye. Maybe so. Now you can see the eyelashes are white as before. In the tutorial before we see that with the eyelashes. But you can do the same trick here again, because we have only one material for the whole component, from the eyes, from the eyelashes, etc. All is on one material. We can't select a single part of it and change the lashes only. But for that there is a simple solution. We open that in Photoshop or another program to do that. Here you can see the eyelashes are white. This is the diffuse map. Now we do the same. We can select this area and fill it with black, or you can choose what color you want. I take black. Save this map. Going back to 3D Studio and re-render that. Eyelashes are still black. I have to reload the image. You can see here are the eyelashes are still white, sorry. Now I'm gonna reload that. View the image. It's still black and white. What the hell is it? I have to click on the map, open that, view image. What the hell is it? I can't believe that. It's not true. So I'm back, so I found it out. I was on the wrong material. I was on the body material instead of the eye material. I have to change here the diffuse map. Take the new, put it on, and now render. It should go black. Yes, now it's black. And this time I want to show you additionally how is the eye built up. I'm gonna show you that quick. If you maybe have also wondered how is this thing built up. The eye consists of two eyeballs. That's sorry, I have to change the view. So the eye is built of one and the second eyeball. The first is for the reflection and the second is for the white in the eye, and on the back side is a piece who represents the iris. And maybe you can't remember, we have seen in the tutorials before, there are some artifacts on this lineup where the iris cuts this eyeball, and when here are artifacts, you have to place the iris object a little bit at the back side. Don't do it from hand, do it with the spinner here. It could be done more precise than from hand. When I go back now, I hope I have enough undos. I think there are 20, yes. You can't touch this. You can't touch this from this side. You have to go in the inside of the head. So, and then select the iris and move it with the spinner. If you encounter some artifacts in this area where the iris intersects the eyeball. Now I render that. That's okay. There are no artifacts, nothing appears. But we still don't have the reflections in the eyes. That we're gonna do now. I select the upper eye. You see, this was the first eyeball, and give this the ID3. So we have to do another material with the ID3. And put here the reflection map. Reflect, refract. This is still the eye. Why is the eye map vanished? I have to put this material on this multi-sub object. Here we have changed that for the ID3. So now the reflection is very high. You can see the boxes she's looking at. Now we have only to reduce the reflection amount to 20 or so. Then we render that. Now she has beautiful reflections in the eyes, and that's it. It's a little bit more advanced than before, but I think it's also very simple. Thank you for watching and see ya.